Welcome back to the channel, guys. Here is the new and improved warehouse. The builds continue now. And to keep myself accountable, I have a little challenge for myself. I know a lot of us want to paint our cars, but painting an entire car just takes way too damn long. I'm gonna be painting one part of the car every single day. The car that I'm gonna be working on is the R34 right in the corner. It's a drift car, so I'm not gonna focus too much. I just want my car one color. I was torn between wrap or paint. I just want the satisfaction of knowing that the car was painted myself. I don't know, if we paint one thing every single day, we should be done within about a week. It's gonna be a lot of work, but I'm gonna also try to keep costs as low as possible as well. Let's head to Home Depot. Let's grab some primer, some paint. We're gonna need to sand. Let's see how this challenge goes. Let's get started. Oh! Oh my goodness!
I thought it was gonna be visible for a little bit longer there. Nope.
Made it to Vato Zone.
We came for the TJ Hunt oil, but unfortunately it's sold out.
Paint technology is evolving. You can literally change the tips.
I wish I could change my shit.
To Drake's?
Oh shoot, that thing is huge.
Bend over. Come on, let me see how much it costs.
He said no.
I need password to enter.
Oh, you got two.
Oh, no. Undo.
This guy did it 3 times.
Undo. Turn on the semi-auto, goddamn.
Just these?
Yeah, just these. Can you remove these and add the employee discount?
Yeah, I can only do the employee discount on these, right?
All right, guys, we are at the next location. Home Depot changed their name to Lumber. I'm not sure what primer I used last time. This is good. All right, guys, I don't remember what primer I used before, but we're gonna start off with this. And I got 6 of them. Just in case we need to return them, we don't wanna get too much. All right, guys, for this paint challenge, I wanna spend as little money as possible. I know a lot of you guys at home are working with a budget, and this is for my drift car. I plan on crashing this and then going back and spraying it. So, to cut costs, instead of doing a 3-stage or a 2-stage paint, I've decided to go with a 1-stage, and I only spent $300. This is the base coat right here, $20 for the fast activator because it's cold out, and a single stage hardener. If you guys already have paint supplies and stuff at home, that will definitely help with this. But so far today, I only spent $300, and this is enough to paint the entire car and the engine bay. I'm a hypocrite. Guys, I'm gonna show you why. If you guys want to save on money, stick with the single stage. If you guys don't know, a single stage is the base coat mixed with the clear coat. So we only have to spray one time. We don't have to spray pearl and we don't have to spray clear. But we can mix in our own pearl. Right here I have silver pearl, but I'm also gonna be mixing in red and blue pearl as well. I figured to make the single stage really cool, we're gonna full send on the pearl. Guess who is here to help me paint today?
I'm ready, dude.
He's wearing the perfect outfit to get some primer.
You know, this is just the daily. Yeah, I don't care. Hey, take me back to 2018, you know?
Yeah, 2018 Eliminate. Oh God, no, never mind. Take me back to 2024. All right, boys. Second run to Lumber.
Go Lumber. Wait, why say Lumber though?
They changed their name.
Yeah,
Oh, did they really?
No
Yeah.
Home Depot now.
Shut the
Yeah, they changed it.
Huh?
The wash is ready. 3, 2, 1. Look to the right.
Oh shit!
Say hi.
You too, hey.
You want to be on YouTube too?
Hi. Well, check out my new boo here.
Hey. I want her.
Oh.
Are you single? You
single?
Single?
You have husband? Oh, she's shy. It's okay. I'll come back next time.
What time you off? I wait for you.
I want her. I asked first.
Oh. What the hell? Ooh, I guess we're gonna have to fight for it.
Hey, but can we get your discount though? All right. Thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you.
It's called scalping discounts.
See that?
I'm not serving.
Eliminate.
If you guys are new to the channel, here is the car that we're gonna be painting. My 4-door R34. This is the last time you're gonna see the R34 look like this. If you have a drift car and you want to go drifting, but you want your car one color, I highly recommend a single stage paint job because you don't have to spray pearl, you don't have to spray clear. You spray only one time and you can get out there and you can go drifting. And that's the point of a drift car. Don't worry about making your car look too nice because drift cars are meant to be crashed so that you can have the most fun with your homies. And for only 300 bucks, I think this is a good deal. I don't know how many pieces of the car I'm gonna get done today, but we'll find out. Let's get started. All right, next thing we need, guys, is a tent and 4 10x10 tarp from Home Depot. And just like that, I'm done. This is where I'm gonna be painting everything. Are you guys ready for the craziest stage 1 paint? Show them this crazy color. It's so crazy, you might do math. That's hella dumb. I don't know what to say.
You get high just opening it.
This is one of the cheapest paints you can get. Are you ready? It's like a hooker. All right, I don't know where I'm trying to go with this, never mind. Are you ready for the paint reveal?
Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2. Boom, it's just championship white.
Oh, wow.
Yes, this may look very boring, but the S2K comes OEM with a champion white. Today, we're gonna try to replicate this, but in a stage 1. Green pearl, purple pearl, 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 pearl. Silver diamond pearls going in. All right, up next is the blue. Look at that. Cool. Final pearl, guys. The red diamond. Oh my God.
Perfect
We got a
amount.
whole last cup. This is gonna be crazy. 2, 1. Dude, that looks
Oh yeah,
crazy.
you see like the colors changing on here.
Oh, I hope this looks good. See it? Can you see it?
Not really.
Damn, you can't see it, dude. Lift the stick up. Cool, can't see shit.
I'm like, looks white.
All right, guys, you know what? You'll see when this is done.
you want? That's what it'll look like though. Look at that.
First time, Luke, check it out. So this is the original color, and we mixed in all the pearl.
You just poured that out so that it would fit.
Yep. Now take a look.
Yeah,
Ready?
if you pull it off, then you can see it, yeah.
White. It's spilling everywhere. Wait, what is that?
This is the activator.
What does that do?
It activates. All right, and then like this is the hardener. Guess what that does?
Hardens.
Got it. And watch what happens when I drink this. Oh shit! Ready? Harden. Yeah, there you go. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. If you guys are ever painting outside, to keep the dust down, just spray the entire area with water. And there you go. Primer is on. If you guys messed up at all, just go through and sand and it should come right off. We still haven't sanded yet, so let's get to it. The pearl though.
It ain't looking like the R34 behind you.
Where the pearl? I wasted an extra $300.
We're comparing it to the wrong car. Where's SK at? I don't know if you guys can see.
What if you go get?
Here, get my phone and shine the light on me.
Yeah. Dude, all the pearls gone. Dude, I'm actually pretty bummed about the pearl not showing up. I'm actually really hyped on how this laid. I haven't even sanded it and this is literally the first coat. Wild. Fenders are done. It looks really good, but I got a little too excited. This fender right here, I did almost perfect. This is just one coat, looks great. This one, I got a little trigger happy. And if you look closely, I got a run right there. And I got a run right there. Not hiding anything, I'm not a painter. These fenders actually aren't staying on the car. I have some Z-Tune fenders coming in, so this is a good test. I'm not even gonna spray them anymore because I'm gonna save paint, but look, I gave it a good, thick single coat, but it's only 4 p.m. and honestly, we can keep painting. So right over here, Luke, what are we grabbing?
Side skirts.
We have a roof wing for the 34 as well. Honestly, guys, we're off to a good start. Boom, roof wing is primered.
Wow, that was satisfying. Do it again.
Day 2, guys. This is all we've got done yesterday. This one was painted almost perfectly. This one right here absolutely sucks. We've got to run here, run here, run here. But this one was amazing, almost perfect. I'm not even gonna touch these fenders anymore. I have new fenders coming in. This was all we got done yesterday. We spent a lot of time setting up. Hopefully today we can get even more done. Send it.
There you go.
Okay, don't water it.
Hey, I didn't expect it to be this soft, okay? Is there a different setting?
Here, go to jet.
Ooh. There you go.
Amy, you want to tell him what happened? Oh yeah, you don't speak English? It's cool, I'll tell him. I am such an idiot. I dropped this in the water and now we have to start all over again. It's all part of the game. Damn, that's crusty. See this? This is before. This is after. Much worse. You have to sand it down. And usually when you sand it down, you have to sand the area around it too. So you see it? Feel it. You want to feel it? Feels
wow.
good, right? Trunk is primered. We're gonna paint the inside today, and then another day we'll paint the outside. I think that's gonna give it the cleanest look. Side skirts are complete, and also the taillight covers are as well. Day 2 is coming to an end, and I'm so excited to show you how good the paint looks. Got the inside of the trunk painted. Check this out. Honestly, oh, get the oh, the bug almost landed on here. Oh my goodness, I almost jinxed it. Spraying the inside of the trunk was a success. Taillight covers are done as well, and there's literally little to no orange peel. I'm so proud of myself. Look, this actually looks freaking good. What do you guys think? If you guys think I did an okay job, help us out by giving this video a thumbs up. All right guys, that is it for today's video. Comment down below how many days you guys think it'll take for me to finish this little challenge. For 2 days progress, taking my time and literally just hanging out, not bad.